This is the demonstration of Cooltool miniature working model of CNC 4-axis milling machine. These models are called retrofit models or trainer models. This is called an electronic box. This is the power supply unit. We have to connect the power cable to the electronic box. This is called a data cable. One end of the data cable goes to the electronic box and the other end to the computer. There are 4 cables coming out from the electronic box. That is 4-axis cable X, Y, Z and A. We have to connect X-axis cable to the X-axis motor. Y-axis to the Y-axis motor. Z-axis to the Z-axis motor and A to the A-axis motor. This is called motor power supply. This has to be connected to the mains. We have to open the EMC2 program from the computer. Select 4-axis milling machine program from the EMC2 software. This will work on Linux operating system. Switch on the power of the electronic box. Now we have to set the 0 point of X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis and A-axis. This is X-axis, this is Y-axis, this is A-axis and this is Z-axis. Now let's see how to set the 0 point of X-axis. we have to bring the milling tool to the center of the job. Now we have to fix the 0 point of y-axis. Next we have to set the 0 point of x-axis. The milling tool should touch the job. Next, we have to fix the 0 point of A axis. Since the job is cylindrical, we can fix the 0 point anywhere. Switch on the motor switch. Select the required file from the EMC2 software and press the play button. Now you can see the machine working. It is moving towards x-axis. We can see the movement of the machine from the computer monitor also.